Hello everyone. This is a brief introduction to our Bio 3D printer. It is Fabforge-BioX4 model, and this system has four heads. So first three are for dispensing gels, and the fourth head is modular. This can be used as UV head, pellet head, as well as syringe pump head. So inside the printer we can see there are four heads mounted, and head 1 is for cooling purpose and head 2 has built-in heater. So head 1 can cool up to 4 degrees Celsius or 18 degrees below the ambience, and head 2 has built-in heater which can go up to 85 degrees centigrade. And this is head 3. Head 4 is now mounted with pellet head, so you can print polymer pellets. And this head is modular, so we can remove this head and we can attach UV head, or if you want to use syringe pump head, the attachment can be done on fourth head. And here you can see this is 275 nanometer sterilization lamp, and the machine is incorporated with HEPA 14 filters, so you can get a clean environment while printing cells. And the print bed has three options. One is glass slide, and you can print with 90 mm petri dish and 6 well plates as well. And here in the machine you can see two touch screens. This one is for machine control, and this one is for compressed air pressure control. So in this system the pressure is controlled completely through software, so we don't need any manual regulators. And the system required to operate with compressed air, so we need a compressor. So we have the compressor. So this is a 50-liter air compressor, and we'll go step by step on how to print with different materials in different combinations. Thank you.